A pleasant day, everyone. So today we are going to talk about gender equality. Gender equality means giving everyone, regardless of whether they are male or female, the same opportunities, rights, and respect. For example, in school, gender equality helps students to grow with confidence, knowing that their abilities and ideas are valued equally. However, despite the progress made, gender inequality still exists. One of the common issues that we face in schools today is the belief that girls cannot lead, which continues to limit their potential, opportunities to show their leadership skills.
Good morning, class. Now let's proceed to the introduction of our class president. First, I will introduce is Mark Murder. So, this evening,
So hi everyone, good morning. I am Mark Murder, and I am honored to be the class president of this class. I believe I'm the best choice to be the class president because I can handle responsibilities better than most. To be honest, I don't think women are capable to lead this class. I also think that women are usually too soft to lead. They're not as strong or decisive as men. So before you cast your votes, please consider the advantages I have over my fellow candidate. That would be all. Thank you.
Well said, Mr. Azur. Now let's move on to our next candidate, Mrs. Secretary. Round of applause, everyone.
I strongly disagree of what my fellow candidate stated. I am Micaela Almasatra, running for the position of class president. I believe that leadership is not about gender. It's about courage, responsibility, and heart. Women are not weak. We are capable, driven, and strong. We can lead, inspire, and make a difference. Strength is not measured by who shouts the loudest, but by who stands up for what's right, even when things are not easy. And that, thank you.
Uy, Violet. Isn't that for girls?
Who said colors have gender? Violet's my favorite color. It doesn't make me less of a boy.
You know what? Most boys like blue or black.
Well, take a look around. Colors are for everyone. They're just ways to express who we truly are.
I guess you're right. Violet looks good at you after all. Morning, class. Please arrange your seats and Miss Kaya, please get me that chair.
Hey, help me to carry the chair. Since you're stronger, you should be the one to carry the chair.
Fine, I'll do it. I'm stronger anyways. Wait.
Actually, Kaya, strength isn't something only boys have. It's about trying, putting effort, and believing that you can.
Alright, sir.
Throughout the short scenes, we have seen how gender stereotypes still appear in our everyday lives. In the first scene, the boy believes that women are too weak to lead, but the girl made a strong statement that leadership is not about gender. It is about the ability, courage, and the will to make a difference. In the second scene, the boy teased his male classmate for seeing him with the color violet. He said that violets are for girls, but the male classmate reminded us that colors does not define who we are, yet everyone is free to like what they want, no matter what others may say. In the last scene, wherein the teacher asked a female to get him a chair, the female assumed that it was a job for boys, but The teacher reminded us that strength does not depend on being male or female. Everyone is capable when given the same chance. Now, all these moments shows us one truth. Equality will only begin once we start respecting each other's abilities, choices, and voices. Let us end labeling what boys or girls can or cannot do, because in reality, both can lead, create, and achieve great things. Side by side, they are equal. And before I end this video, I would like to leave a statement that equality starts with us.